Yo guys, what's up? My name's Ajay and we're back at College Broker. And basically today the markets were really unexplainable. I did say that I would sell off all my stocks and I'm lucky I did because the market tanked over 700 points. And the reason for this was there was this resurgence of coronavirus cases, especially in Florida. And I think that's what really set up the markets. There was a rise in the morning where I do have it here where we did go up slightly into a positive, and then suddenly it just this major sell-off that took place. I mean, don't really judge my line is it's because I didn't sell off Tortoise Acquisition. The reason is I told you for me it was a long-term investment and I was gonna hold on to it for a while. So anyway, yeah. So what actually happened was there's a lot of articles where I was reading about the Dow dropping 700 points, and they're all saying that because there was this resurgence that this was taking place. So, like I said, like just make sure you analyze your market, make sure you take care of what you do, and just make sure you read everything possible. There was a major sell-off planning to happen very soon, and it did happen today. And luckily, I caught it early, but sometimes you're not that lucky and you do end up losing a lot of money, especially if you're a passive investor. So always, just be on top of your stuff. Keep checking your stuff. If you do have money on the line and you are day trading, always just watch what's happening in the market very closely. I did buy back into the market at the end of the day. That's what I wanted to update on. It is up $8.62. I did lose a lot of money because of Tortoise Acquisition at the moment. I think I'm down almost $65 on that. But then again, it is a stock that I will be talking about in my next video. Like literally, I'll post after this video. And that video will contain why I invested in them, what's my plan with them, as well as what's happening in terms of their merger and why I'm actually sticking by them, even though the market dropped. I did not sell off my stocks, which now that I think of it, and maybe I could have made $3 or $4 extra off the share because I think I lost about $3 a share, but it's coming back up. It was at I think almost like $40 lost today, and it came back up to 20. So, I mean, there is still hope, and it's not really a big deal. It's not a big part of my portfolio, so we don't have to really worry about that. But definitely just stay on top of your stuff. Make sure you're watching the news. Make sure you're keeping up to date with what's going on because right now the smallest things can upset the market. So just be careful with what you do. Just read about virus cases because people are trying to protect their money, and especially as a Robinhood investor, is an influx of them, and a lot of Robinhood investors are pulling out because they don't want to be the one, they don't want to lose their money, and therefore there's this major sell off of Robinhood investors, then as well as Wall Street, because there is this bubble the market is rolling in, and you got to be really, really careful when you invest. So just stay on top of your stuff, keep investing, if you have to pull out, make sure you get back into it because there is this, I think it's Warren Buffett that said that um, when people are fearful, you should be greedy, and when people are greedy, you should be fearful. So it's something along those lines. I'm paraphrasing, but yeah. So just uh, when people are selling off, I recommend that you start getting into it, start buying, because you will get it at a lower price. I mean, it's up to you what your decision is. For me, I always buy when people are selling because when there's a major sell off, I tend to make money when the markets come back and it enters this bubble again at the moment. So that's what I've been doing at the moment. But please watch other videos, get more acquainted with the market before you do make big moves based on my decisions. Of course, I'm not 100% right always. So yeah, keep investing, and until next time.